Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights collaboration, the Zodiac collection, and you guys have no idea how excited I was about this. If you don't watch Kathleen, she is obsessed with the Zodiac signs. Like, she knows everything and then some more about people's signs. I'll put her video down below. If you want to know a little bit about your own sign, she described my sign to a T. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. It's about the Zodiac collection with Colourpop. And I'm so excited about it. It's gorgeous. So this is the packaging for the palette. It has that theme pretty much for around all the items in the collection. Really pretty stars and nice rich navy blue and rose gold foil. Oh, the lipsticks are navy blue, and then the highlight in the palette is black. But okay, so I think this is everything in the collection. Let me double check. Great, that is everything. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. I've already put foundation on, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through this makeup look. I did this the other day, and I was obsessed. And this is what the palette itself looks like. It's that navy with different signs on them. Can we just talk about this for just one moment? I love it. Love it. So each shade is correspondent with the sign, and there's the Aries, the Taurus, the Gemini, the Cancer, the Leo, the Virgo, the Libra, the Scorpio. That's me. That's me right there. That's me. The Sagittarius, the Capricorn, Capricorn. I thought that was RP for a second. Capricorn, the Aquarius, and the Pisces. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, so now we're just gonna jump right into it, and I'm gonna start off with the Taurus in my crease, and I'm just gonna apply it with a fluffy blending brush. I've been using this shade for every look as a crease, and I'm so glad this palette has a mirror. Just lightly brush it on there. Is this my crease? No, this is my transition shade. Is that what we call it? Pretty sure. Just to give my eye a little definition, because as we all know, I got Asian eyes. And I'm doing this with a very light hand. Do you guys hear the birds? They're so nice. Okay, now, so I'm gonna go in with Libra right here. I'm going to brush it all over my lid and have it blend in with my transition shade a little bit. Cool. And then I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend in the transition shade and just blend that ever so slightly. And now I'm going to use my fingers because I find that these colors are better when you just apply with your finger. And I'm going to take Scorpio, this really pretty metallic satiny mauve. Is this a mauve? I don't know. I like to use my middle finger first because it's kind of, I have more control with this finger. I'm going to apply it on the outer corner and the inner. I'm going to leave the middle naked. I'm going to take my index finger and grab Cancer and apply this in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to grab the same blending brush I used for my transition shade. Just really lightly tap it back in Taurus and tap off the excess and just blend my crease a little bit because I want it to like just diffuse, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm not really sure. But I don't want it to be too in your face. I think I lost a little bit of the Cancer, so I'm gonna dip my finger back in and just reapply that a little. Super subtle, not too in your face, so I like that. But it's still a pop of color. And that's it. That's pretty easy. Super quick, really easy makeup look. Now I'm just gonna do the other eye. I'll see in a second. All done. I cleaned up under my eyes a little bit. And now I'm gonna take a detail brush and a little something like these. Yeah. And I'm gonna go back into Scorpio and just start off with the outer lower lash line and make that ugly face. You know, I think that just adds a little something something. And then I'm also gonna go in with Cancer, which is this shade, the center shade that I use on my lid. There's a freaking lady setting up a damn fence between our back lot and her backyard. And she's hammering away. So now I'm finished with the eyes, and I want to use this thing, but I'm kind of afraid to. I haven't had enough practice with it yet, so I'm not going to in this video. But it's the, what are these? Supernova shadows. And basically they're like liquid gold for your eyes. And they are a liquid eyeshadow. They're super, super, super shimmery. And it's so pretty, but I just haven't had enough practice with it yet, so I'm just going to show you guys. This lady keeps hammering away, I swear to God. I'm just going to show you guys the colors in the collection. This one's my favorite. This is called Constellation, and it's a rose gold tint. Ugh, sorry. Here we go. I'll swatch it. How about that? Looks like that. How pretty is that? That's amazing. So actually, this would look really good with this eye color combination, but I don't want to risk messing up the look, so I'm just gonna let it be for now. And then this is, what color is this? This is Astrology. That's what that look. Ooh, that's rich. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm into that. But I need to practice more with the, what are these called? The Supernova shadows. So I'm just not gonna set myself up for failure in this video. They dry pretty quickly actually, so that's really important for this kind of thing, because the moment you move your eyeball, you're screwed if it's still wet. And now I'm just gonna highlight my face, and I'm probably just gonna mix the two shadows. I mean, the two highlights. She has two Super Shock cheek highlights. This one's called On the Cusp, which is, whoa, I'm on the cusp of Libra and Scorpio, as I've already told you. But I've been using this one, not so much the Fire, but for Super Shock shadows I like to use a fan brush because the texture is just so much better with a fan brush than the typical highlight brush I use. Pop that on my cheekies. Oh my god, you guys, I chugged a latte that I made this morning and now I have to take shit. Obsessed with this color. Can you guys see? I don't know if my lighting is really good enough to be able to really show you guys what the highlight looks like. Can you guys see it? I think so. It's just such a natural highlight. And my Cupid's bow. And I'll show you guys the other shade as well. Fire. But I'm definitely more of a On the Cusp fan for sure. This one's definitely more of a rose gold, I would say. The other one's more of a bronzy undertone. Is it? Actually, I don't know. The On the Cusp is definitely more rose gold. Let's watch both of them to compare. This one is Fire. Okay. The On the Cusp is much more of a rose gold. I lied. Fire is definitely more of a golden bronzy shade. Highlights like this work really well with all skin tones, so that's nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch her lipsticks as well, since we're already here swatching away. I have been using What's Your Color? Or no, sorry, What's Your Sign? Like crazy. I mean, I had to grab it out of my purse to film this video. I just kept it in my bag this whole time because I'm obsessed with it. It's a really, really pretty color, and it's the perfect nude. And I really like the Colourpop Luxe lipstick formula, so it's even better. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my arm. There's that one. This is What's Your Sign? This one is called Scorpio Moon. Like me. I'm a Scorpio. And there's that one. So yeah, so the Scorpio one is definitely more of a berry, has more pink undertones, and then the What's Your Sign is very nude and perfect for every day. I've literally have been wearing it every day. But when I wear this lipstick, I've been lining my lips with the Revolution lip pencil in the shade Bow Down. It's basically my lip color, so I use it to overline my lips to make them a little bit more pouty. Okay, talking and doing this is not a good idea. Okay, I did not do the best job applying that, sorry. But I'm just gonna apply the lip. Yeah, I have a dry spot on my lip. There we go. All done. Obsessed with this lip color. I'm into it. That wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you like this. Oh my god, I forgot mascara. 1 second. My handy dandy Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline and Shayla. Still using it till this day. I'm pretty sure I've been using this for over a year now. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Okay, now we're done. Now the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been really using this lipstick like crazy, and I'm pretty sure they just restocked the whole collection, so if you want to buy it, it's down below. Feel free to hit up the link, and thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe down below, hit the notification bell if you're into that, and please share this video to all your beloved family members, friends, and enemies. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!